Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change the email address in Shein account on an Android device. Well, updating your email address allows you to manage your communication preferences effectively. You can ensure that you receive important updates and notifications from Shein at your preferred email address, helping you to stay informed about your account activity and purchases. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Shein application. Well, after that, here you can enter to your profile page and then tap the settings icon at the top right corner. Okay, so now please select manage my account option. And then you can tap the first one. Well, so here click change option and then you can enter the verification code which is sent to your email address. Okay, after inputting the verification code and then you can enter your new email address here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the email address in Shein account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.